This video will probably not get a lot of views. In fact, there's a chance that by the time you're watching this, it still hasn't crossed 1,000 views. And the reason is probably not what most YouTubers think. Most new creators believe the algorithm is unfair. They upload a video, get 20 views, 50 views, maybe 100 views, and immediately conclude that YouTube never pushed it. But the truth is much more interesting. YouTube did push it, just not for very long. Let me show you exactly why this video may not get views. Imagine I upload this video on my channel, 5 minutes explained. The moment I hit publish, YouTube does not decide whether this video is a success or a failure. It runs a small experiment. It starts showing my thumbnail and title to a limited group of people. That is called an impression. An impression does not mean someone watched the video. It simply means YouTube showed it to someone. This is the first test. Suppose YouTube gives this video 1,000 impressions. Out of those 1,000 people, only 30 click. My click-through rate is 3%. That tells YouTube that most people saw the video and ignored it. Now think about it from YouTube's perspective. If people are not clicking this video, why should YouTube keep recommending it? This is why thumbnails and titles matter so much. A great video with a weak thumbnail can die before anyone watches it. YouTube cannot judge the quality of the content if nobody clicks in the first place. But let's say people do click. Now the algorithm starts watching something even more important: retention. Suppose 100 people click this video, but most of them leave after 20 seconds. YouTube notices that immediately. It compares this video with thousands of other videos competing for attention. If viewers leave early, YouTube assumes this video did not hold their attention. This is why the first 30 seconds are everything. If I start with a long intro, unnecessary greetings, or slow explanations, viewers leave. And when viewers leave, YouTube becomes less confident about recommending the video to more people. Think of the algorithm as a recommendation machine. Its goal is simple: keep people watching YouTube. If my video keeps viewers engaged, YouTube wins. If viewers leave, YouTube loses. This creates a chain reaction. Impressions lead to clicks. Clicks lead to watch time. Watch time leads to more impressions. More impressions create more views. Most creators obsess over the last step while ignoring the first three. There is another metric that almost nobody talks about: audience retention percentage. If people watch only 25% of a 5-minute video, that is a weak signal. If they watch 60% or 70%, that is a strong signal. YouTube wants videos that hold attention consistently. But retention is not just about editing. It is about curiosity. If I tell you everything in the first minute, there is no reason to keep watching. Every 20 or 30 seconds, the video should create a new question, a new insight, or a new surprise. That is what keeps retention high. Now, let's talk about the biggest reason new channels struggle. A new channel has no data. YouTube does not know who the audience is. It does not know whether people interested in psychology, business, gaming, or education should see the video. So it starts with a small audience. If that audience responds well, YouTube expands the reach. If they do not, the experiment ends. This is why many creators upload one video, get low views, and immediately change their niche. They make a psychology video today, a motivation video tomorrow, and a finance video next week. They never give the algorithm enough data to understand their audience. Consistency is not just for subscribers, it is for the algorithm. Here is something that changed the way I looked at YouTube. A video with 10,000 impressions, an 8% CTR, and 60% retention has a much better chance of growing than a video with 100,000 impressions, a 2% CTR, and 20% retention. The algorithm rewards videos that attract attention and keep attention. So if this video does not get views, I will not blame the algorithm. I will open YouTube Studio. I will check the impressions, I will check the click-through rate, I will check the retention graph, because somewhere in that chain, the video lost momentum. And once you understand that chain, YouTube stops feeling like a mystery. It becomes a system where every upload teaches you what viewers actually want. That is how channels grow, not because the algorithm suddenly becomes generous, but because the data becomes impossible to ignore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to 5 Minutes Explained for more videos like this.